Hey guys, it's Ashley with Pugs and Pearls, and tonight I am going to be unboxing my Sephora Play Box, and I'm actually really sad. This is actually going to be the last Sephora Play Box. April of 2020. They are not going to be doing this subscription box anymore. And it was so funny because my credit card had changed and I was trying to update it and I couldn't find the section in Sephora to update it. And then I finally came across an email that they sent out, and it is on their website as well. They are changing their model, so they are not going to be doing the subscription box anymore. They are going to do something that's a little bit different. So instead of a subscription service, they are going to be offering what they call a luxe box. And I will pop up the first one here. It's going to be available for purchase on April 28th on their website. It's going to offer 6 deluxe samples from 3 different categories. And they've already actually shown what's going to be offered this month, but I'm not exactly interested in that, and those are going to be $25 a month. So that's kind of pricey for 6 deluxe samples unless it's a sample that you like. So you'll be able to actually see it. It's not going to be a surprise anymore, which is what I'm going to really miss. They are eventually going to come out with 2 additional lines. One's going to be the Hello Box, which will be 5 products, and it's going to be $10, so very similar to a Sephora Play Box, but you'll just purchase it from the site. And then they're also going to have what they call a pop kit, and that's going to have 6 items at $15. So they're going to be at different price points. This disappoints me greatly because I canceled my Ipsy, so this was the only subscription box that I had left. So now guys, I need your help. Let me know what your favorite makeup subscription is in the comments below, because I still like the surprise of getting products delivered to my door, and I feel like I'm gonna forget about the Luxe box or the other Pop and Hello boxes unless it's something that I happen to be looking at the site for. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and get into the final April box. I hope it is a good one. So of course you always get your card. This one says Class of 2020, so obviously it was themed around graduation, but a lot of people aren't even in school. It came with some makeup stickers, something different. Haven't seen this before. And then our last box is a red little bag. Alrighty guys, so let's see what we have in this little bag here. The first thing I see is, ooh, I have heard about this product. This is the makeup eraser. It says erase all makeup with just water. So I think this is cute little packaging because it's like shaped like an eraser. Like, how adorable is that? I think this is just like a little cloth, like a little cleansing cloth. Super cute, and I guess it's the miniature size. Oh, that is adorable. I have always wanted to try this. It's kind of like a very soft towel. It's got a very unique texture to it, and it's a beautiful hot pink color. So that's honestly pretty cool. I've always wanted to try one of those. I've never used one of those towels. Next up, this is a packet. This is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. So I believe this is a hair mask, and yes, it's supposed to hydrate and soften. And I have seen these products on Sephora, but I have never purchased any from this brand, so I will have to give this a try in the shower. It is just a packet. I'm not the biggest fan of packets, but that's okay. Next up, we have a product from Fresh. It's the Soy Face Cleanser. This is for all skin types. It's supposed to gently cleanse the face and eyes. And this is a nice little sample size or deluxe sample size that I can actually put in the shower and give out or give a shot. I have not tried this product before, but I do hear people talking about it, and they do say very good things about that cleanser. Next up, I see a Clinique. This is the Clinique Pop Splash. It's a lip gloss and hydration, so it comes in this little packaging here. Very traditional for Clinique, so it looks like it's a little mini size. Let's see what shade it is. Oh my gosh, super cute. It's very bright pink, and it's got some gold shimmer in it. So it's a cool color, very spring-like. Let's do a little swatch to see how that looks on the skin. All right, it's actually got some pigment, guys. It is a see-through gloss, but it's a very pink gloss. That might be a little too hot pink for me. I'm not certain, but that's okay. And then Next up, we have the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I do like a lot of products from Belief, but I have not tried this particular one. It has the nice kind of Belief smell, very organic, looks like it's just a white eye cream. So it's in a really tiny little jar, but that's what it looks like. I definitely will use that. I've actually been on the hunt for some good under eye creams, so if you guys again have any recommendations, leave them in the comments below. Next up, we have a Shiseido. This is the Ultimate Sun Protector Lotion. It says it's 50 plus, and it's in a cute little blue bottle. The smell is not bad, definitely like a traditional sunscreen scent, and I do, as we get more, it's actually pretty hot here in Florida right now, so I actually will probably use this when I go on my runs. I definitely need something to put on my face, and I think it can be, yes, it's for the face and body, so I definitely will give this a shot because I am definitely needing some protectorant because I definitely am getting a little bit burned when I go out. And you guys, that is it. Like, I'm kind of disappointed. I didn't love it. Oh my gosh. So the eye cream, the sun cream, that's, you know, good. I think my favorite thing was probably this little makeup remover. I don't really like the foil packets because, again, I don't really feel like you're getting a lot of product, but I mean, it is a big foil packet. This is just not a color that I'm going to wear that much. And I had really been loving the Sephora Play subscription service. Like the last year, I have really enjoyed it. And I'm so sad that it's gone. I am going to continue to check on the boxes that come out. They're like whatever the Luxe and the Pop and the Hello are. I'll see if it's worth continuing, but again, it's not going to be delivered to me on a monthly basis. I'm going to have to go and make sure that I purchase it. Let me know, guys, again, if you've got other recommendations for subscription boxes, because I do enjoy makeup subscription services. I may go back to Ipsy, but if you have any recommendations, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and this is the final Sephora Play unboxing that I'll do on my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Bye!